How to change region in Steam. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to change your Steam region. It should be a quick and easy process to follow. But before we continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Launch the Steam desktop app. Sign in to your account using your credentials. Hover over your username at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Profile. On your profile page, you'll see your current region below your name. Click the Edit Profile button on the right-hand side. In the left sidebar, click on the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Location section. From the drop-down menu, select your new country, then choose your state or province. Scroll down and click the blue Save button. This will update your Steam region settings. Go back to your profile by hovering over your username and clicking Profile. You should now see your updated region displayed. And that's how to change your region on Steam. If this tutorial helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.